Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and this is part 2. So we've shampooed our suede, and now what we're gonna need to do is try to bring it up. So you take your suede brush, which has got your brass bristles surrounded by your nylon bristles, and you just go over the suede like this. Now, there's a couple spots that look like they have spots on it, which I can take a suede eraser to. But let's just start without borrowing trouble, as they say, and see some of them are just disappearing with just the brushing. Now, I let this dry overnight, like I said I was going to in the last video. And see, here we are. It's already a lot better than it was. We just have a couple of stubborn stains. One here, which candidly looks like it's gonna brush away. And one here, which is also fading the more I brush it. Now, I also can use a crepe brush, which I have somewhere. I thought it was on my table, but it's not. So that is, some of this was just plain dirty, and most of that is better. So you see how they are compared, and they look much better. Now, you can see here, the blue suede is messing up the brown shoes, but it's not bad. Now, these are the Cleverleys, and this is the higher quality suede. And you can see this, and see, look at that. Just fine. And now this, I don't want to mess with it, so I'm just going to use my boar hair brush to brush off the suede particles from the other shoe. And then my brush here, and look at that. This was the dirty shoe, and it's perfect. Now, I like the nap of my suede to all go in the same direction. These are hole cuts. So in by the waist. And you can see my fingerprints. That's it. So that is, I'm not gonna spend the video doing all of it, but I do think that gives you a good idea of what this is gonna be like. Here again, we have some staining. So, but you can also see most of that staining going away with just a simple brushing. Now, personally, I do this brushing more often than I do shampooing. And only when the brushing doesn't work do I consider doing a shampoo at all. But here, I feel like I've resurrected these shoes very well. And these shoes are back to perfect. I can relace them and throw them back into rotation. Thanks for watching. Let me know your comments below.